Hello coin collectors out there, welcome back to the Big D Coins channel. Hopefully everyone is having a great day as always. In today's video we are going to be looking at the two coins at the top of the screen right here. They are both 1968, but interestingly they're made out of different metals. So the one on the left is made out of silver, the one on the right is a nickel coin. And in 1968, yes, they made them out of two different materials as they switched over from the silver coins to the copper nickel coins. We also have two down here at the bottom, which we know are definitively silver based on their dates. This one is 1956, so this is definitely silver, and this one is definitely copper nickel, this 1979, and we'll put them kind of side by side. We can see that they both have the same kind of metal composition and look to them. Now let's zoom in and we'll see kind of tilt them a little bit here, get that kind of light to strike them, and we'll zoom in on this one even further. So in 1968 there were a total of 71,464,000 of these coins that were produced. In good condition, these are going to be worth $1.50. In fine condition, $1.60. In AU condition, $2.80. In uncirculated condition, $4. Now that's mostly driven by their metal composition, which is 50% silver. The total weight of the coin is 5.83 grams. 50% of that is silver. It has the standard size of all the more kind of modern quarters with a diameter of 23.88 millimeters. And what you're looking at on the reverse is a symbol you're probably used to seeing if you look at Canadian coins. It is a caribou accompanied by the face value surrounded by the inscription Canada. So we've got the caribou in the center right here, 1968, the date on the right. The face value of the coin, 25 cents. Now don't sell it for 25 cents because it's silver in it. And we've got Canada going around the left side of the coin. When we flip it over to the obverse side, we see a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. This is her at age 37 years old. She's wearing a tiara and facing the right. Now let's pull in the copper nickel coin. This one right here, that's also dated 1968, so we'll put them kind of side by side so we can see the two different dates. So we've got 1968 right here, which is a 50% silver, and then we've got this one, 1968, which is the nickel coin. Flip them over on their sides, and we can see that they're definitively made out of different metals. So this is the silver one. These two on the bottom are silver. The one on the top is nickel. Obviously, they took the silver out because it was getting more expensive than the actual face value of the coin. In 1968, once they switched over to the nickel coin, they made the same design from 1968 until 1978. As I said, it is a nickel coin. And the mintages for the year 1968 for the second half of the year are going to be 88,686,000. The real high mintage are going to be the next few years after that. In 1969, there were 131 million made. In 1974, 192 million of them were made. Now, as we mentioned, coins that were made in 1968 were made both in silver and in nickel. The metal used to make the coin can be tested with a magnet. However, we can kind of see by comparing it to other coins, which we know are definitively that particular metal, we don't really need the magnet for that. So I'm just going to put this 1968 next to the 1979 so we can see the same metal content. And then we have the 1968 and the 1956 on the top right here. All right, everyone, that's all the info that I've got for you today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. If you are into coin collecting, please do check out some of the other videos on this channel. Thank you very much, everyone, and best of luck coin collecting out there. Enjoy.